Today we are going to unbox the BOYA wireless microphone model BYV20, which has two transmitters and one receiver. This dual microphone system can independently submit the voice of each speakers to the cell phone using this receiver, which uses Type-C to connect to the cell phone. So let's see what's inside the box. Inside we have the user manual, which has all the instruction needed, plus two cables, which connects the USB to Type-C in order to charge the two microphones, and two microphones with the receiver. Each microphone has a clip to connect to the shirt or the dress of the speaker. One small indicator showing the status of the microphone, the head with the noise reduction, the noise reduction button, and the power button. Both of them have the same specification. And the receiver, which has a small indicator for showing the status, and the port Type-C to connect to the phone. Well, what we can do is to connect the receiver to a cell phone and to see the difference of the quality. So far, you are hearing the voice from the microphone of the cell phone, but now when I turn it on, the indicator goes to steady blue, which is same in the receiver, and now you can hear my voice from a 20 centimeters distance connected to my shirt, and using this microphone to see the difference and the quality of the sound using this microphone in comparison with the original microphone of the cell phone. Now I'm going to turn on the noise reduction to see the difference. So far the noise reduction is off. Now the noise reduction is on and we can see the difference, although there is no environmental sound so much here, but I believe that everything remaining is taken by the noise reduction. According to the specifications written in the instruction, charging time needed for each microphone is 2 hours, and the battery life for each transmitter is 9 hours. So it means that by 2 hours charging, it should work for you for 9 hours. Each one of them has just 9.5 gram weight, which is a very lightweight microphones. And the indicators, LEDs, are different status. For instance, for the unpaired status, it blinks between blue and red alternatively, but when it is paired successfully, it goes to static blue. When you mute the microphone, it goes to blinking blue, and when it's the noise reduction on, it goes to static green. For the low battery, it goes to blinking red. During the charging time, it goes to static red, and when it is fully charged, the red light goes off. These are the specifications needed that we can find it in the instruction. And once again, I'm going to try the difference when we connect the microphone using the cell phone. I'm now going to connect it to this cell phone. The pairing status starts when I turn on this one. Go to steady blue means that it's connected, and now you are listening to the voice using this wireless microphone from a 20 centimeters difference. If I bring it to the noise reduction mode, it goes to green. The noise reduction is on. and the noise reduction is off. Now I have in a environmental sound mode, which I'm going to try the microphone using the noise reduction. So far the noise reduction is off, as you can see and hear the noise reduction. Now it is on and the environmental sound is completely taken. So when I turn off the noise reduction, you will hear again the environmental sound from now on. This is the difference of the noise reduction function of this microphone. So here is how the BOYA by-V20 works, and hopefully this unboxing will be helpful for you. Thank you.